Happy Sunday, everyone. We're over here at our favorite place, Main Street Station in Downers Grove. I have not been here in a while. It's been very cold or wintry. And then I hurt my hand, but I'm back on the beat again. So here we are. I'm pretty sure this is our number 4 Southwest Chief. Yeah, that's it, all right. Next stop, Chicago Union Station. Hi everyone. I have another local business here in Downers Grove I want to highly recommend. This is Apex Computers, which is located at 650 Ogden Avenue in Downers Grove, Illinois. The operator is Mr. Michael Kim. He does very fast, quick, and he knows what he's doing. If you have any computer issues, give Mr. Michael Kim a call. His phone number will be on the business card that it will accompany this clip.